Transformer. A transformer works by using the principle of mutual induction to increase or decrease the voltage of an alternating current (AC) supply. Working of transformer. A transformer has two windings, a primary winding and a secondary winding, that are wrapped around a common iron core. When an AC current passes through the primary winding, it creates a changing magnetic field in the core. This changing magnetic field induces an alternating voltage in the secondary winding. Voltage change. The voltage change in the secondary winding depends on the ratio of turns between the primary and secondary windings. If the secondary winding has more turns than the primary winding, the transformer increases the voltage. If the secondary winding has fewer turns, the transformer decreases the voltage.